Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a cozy corner. So come on with me, guys. I don't normally decorate this area very often, but today that's what we're gonna do. Now I do know I wanna add a few chinoiserie pieces. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way, and that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. Okay, so I do have some co-hosts, so let me go ahead and mention them. I have Design with Emma, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, Z9 Designs, and Decorating with Jazzy Green. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and decorate this area. So I'll be in and out of the video. Now I am lighting the candles, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal. Now, doesn't this area look absolutely beautiful? I'm loving it, especially those magnolias. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.